These X4XZ sway bar links are purpose-built for four-wheel drive Ford Super Duty trucks and Excursion models from the early 2000s. So fitment is straightforward when you match the part numbers K80273 and K80274. The zinc-nickel alloy finish and long-duration salt spray performance show that these links are designed to resist rust and corrosion far better than basic painted hardware. Carbon steel construction with added heat treatment and cold forging gives the ball studs impressive fatigue strength, which inspires confidence for heavy-duty use and towing. The use of durable neoprene rubber in the joints helps the links stay flexible and sealed, cutting down on squeaks and extending service life in harsh weather. Once installed, many drivers will notice tighter steering response and reduced clunking over bumps compared with worn factory links. The straightforward design makes these front stabilizer links relatively easy to install at home for someone comfortable with suspension work, even though no printed instructions are included.